this video, we'll show you how to assign the knobs on your MIDI controller to any function in your DAW, and how to record automation using these knobs. In the video MIDI Controllers Part 1, you've learned how to set up your MIDI controller. Let's use our MIDI controller to record some volume automation. To assign a knob to a parameter in your DAW, click this MIDI box to enable the MIDI mapping mode, or use the dedicated keyboard shortcut. Select the parameter you want to connect by clicking it. Now turn a knob or slider on your MIDI controller. You will see the connection is made. Exit MIDI mapping mode again. To record the automation, arm the MIDI track and enable automation arm as well. Now press record and move the slider or knob. To see and edit the recorded automation, press A to show automation. Now you have learned how to assign parameters to knobs on your controller and how to record automation.